Hello friends, in this little video I want to go over the transition basics for beginners. So let's get right into it. I have here two clips on the timeline where I want to place a transition between. So what you do is effects and you go to the video transitions. In this case, I just take a blur dissolve. You can always drag the transitions to make it longer, or you can make it shorter, and you always can change the properties of any transition. And that's basically it. What you also then can do, once you have changed your properties to your liking, you can go and right click on the transition and then choose create transition preset. Then you can give it a name, your new preset. For example, hit OK, and when you then go to the effects library and in the video transition, you will find user area where your transitions are saved. So, and this is pretty much the basics of all transitions. Have fun following the rest of this playlist. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.